My name is Louisa, I'm 26 and I am a French illustrator and content creator based in Bordeaux. I've been drawing ever since I was a child and I love sharing my passion with the world and connect with other creative people. What I love most about my job is that I can play with a lot of different tools and techniques. I'm constantly inspired and looking for new inspiration, whether it's in books, through new encounters, music, movies, or on the internet. I combine all of these inspirations to create my illustrations. That's why with the ASUS ZenBook Duo 14, I can always have these references at hand to help me with my artistic practice. The stylus makes drawing really easy and allows me to work on the details. Its double screen and the latest 11th Gen Intel Core processor allow me to have access to every aspect of my illustration as well as the different tools within the software, and most of all, it helps me organize my workspace. Just like in my artistic practice, I like to switch between different techniques and tools. That's made possible thanks to the second touchscreen, which allows me to create through drawing, photography, and video. Thanks to the patent-validated display, I can play with colors in my illustration and be sure to work with real colors. The ASUS ZenBook Duo 14 stays with me through my artistic practice, which changes every day and evolves according to my inspirations. With its long-lasting battery and its lightness, I can take my computer everywhere to constantly push the boundaries of innovation, creation, and sharing with my community.